first. And I think it's time we talk it out and get all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way, no drama.
Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. I am from the future. I've just realized after editing this vlog that we do not have an intro. So this is me doing it. Welcome to a new vlog. To my new subbies, welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys for your continuous support. I appreciate it so much. Please enjoy the vlog and make sure that you like, comment, and those of you that are watching and not subscribed, please make sure that you guys subscribe to become part of our family. Yeah, this is a new vlog. Let's get on to it. I was from church at this moment, and I had just made sure that my family is fed. I made rice, chicken, pumpkin, and cabbage with, what is this? Beetroot. That was my Sunday.
Book that, well, it does low-key revolve, but like I hate when I read these books and it's always about, ooh, the man is the one that picked the girl up, the man is the one that made the girl's life better. Like, bye bye Lisa. Bye.
Good day, guys. Welcome to, it is still Monday and I've decided to cook. It's not that I decided to cook, I cook. I am the chef around this house. We are making ox liver And yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fry onions and make the liver, and it is a bit frozen, but not whole, but it was. And I'm gonna cut it into small pieces, and then yeah, and that was what I was doing there. So yeah, I don't know why did I not give it time. I was just recording, and I'm only realizing now that I did not tell you guys as to what I'm about to do. What am I doing at what time? I don't like that. I don't like that. Hence the voiceover. But yeah, cook with me, guys. Let's cook.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, sign up what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Sleep in the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
I love this so much. My son hates it. He'll have papa kalibesi, maybe a sandwich or something, but I love it so much, and it turned out very nice. The liver was very soft. Hi, how are you? Sharp. Please get me this book.
So we have this.
Okay.
I think this can go for both genders.
Mm-hmm.
And then
You also have something gelly.
girly girl, we have this lullaby kind of Bible for girls.
Mm-hmm. This is cute.
Very nice. And then
Retails for.
sorry?
Retails for. It's not bad to eat.
You see that one at top?
Yeah.
My creative Bible for girls. Yes.
Oh, you can also color it in.
I'm not sure.
Is it?
I really don't mind. I just don't want to like ruin anything. If you
No.
are you a lifestyle content?
Motherhood, lifestyle.
Oh, you're a mom already.
I am mother of two.
Mother of two. Damn. All right, that's nice.
Yeah.
And you
So
still
I
look
wanted
so...
something for my girl.
Oh, okay. How old is she?
2.
2. Okay.
She's
Yeah, then I think that one, the one I showed you, the Lullaby Bible, will be perfect for her. And it's not that bad.
because this one is for
I would
for
say
the ones that already know how to read.
like from, I'd say 12 and upwards.
But it looks good.
I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for why it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you?
Hello guys. Hi guys. I'm currently at Spear from Ocean Basket. I am so tipsy and I'm gonna carry on drinking. For what? I don't know. But I'm gonna carry on drinking. I just need to de-stress. I'm not gonna die.
Tribulations that he experienced last year on stage. And he's got this opportunity with another very
Yo, okay.
in South Africa.
I just shop.
On the African continent as well.
That's okay.
Okay, it's gonna be.
Shop hair guys. Bye. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it is Sunday the 10th August, and I thought I was going to church, but I decided otherwise. I'm not sure what I'm doing today, but I'm about to have breakfast. It's not even really breakfast. It's leftover from yesterday. I took takeouts from Spur, so I'm gonna have that as breakfast. And yeah, I think I'm gonna take you guys with today to do whatever that I'm doing. I'm not sure what, but yeah. Spend the Sunday with me. I'm so tired, and I could say the ulcer or what. I'm not sure if it's the fact that I'm hungry or what causes it, but it's not cool. It's I hate it so much. Hate it for me and my homegirls. So yes, kinana happy ke wine and it's a lucky place on my band. It is the reason why I'm here, and today I'm still gonna drink the wines. I mean, why not? Yeah, kinana ke wine, because I have this. Let me show it to you guys. Nana focus in sleep. Kana gonna sleep. 2025. Get for cousins say Hakile spare. Hakile ocean basket. I'm not sure what I had. One of their house wines, so I'm not sure what do they serve, because it's like it's here bottle. And today I'm having this rabbit sense. And I also wanted to record a story time, sit down video with you guys. I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna do it. So you guys are spending the day with me. I think I'm gonna record it today. I just that but the whole day with me, and my husband is also here. Oh, but hey, I'll try to record. If I'm not recording today, I'll record tomorrow on a Monday and check or I can release a video. But yes, I missed you guys so much. Please like, comment, share, and if you're not subscribed, please see that you do. And yeah, we are on the road to 200 subs, so please hurry and enjoy so that we can reach that 200. I love you guys so much, and I'm sorry for the inconsistency, guys. I am really sorry for the inconsistency, but I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix it. You know what do I hate more is recording the same thing over and over again. I'm going to church on Sunday. I'm coming back home. The kids are going. The kid is going to school. My husband is going, and I'm gonna go do groceries. Repetitive content. I get hurt. I don't even like it. I get because I am a homebody and it's not funny. And it gets to a point that it frustrates me so much. I get so frustrated. But what can we do? I'm recording from my iPhone 16 that my husband bought for me cash there by Telkom. So quality. We are focused. Phone yani ne sa kgone focus a etsa mehlolo jo injurile mare ke shapo ka yona e flete mo ileng teng but like e charge ke bona plus bo app ya ka ya banka mo ntho tse ding di mo. But I'm so happy. I am very happy this side with my iPhone 16 in Petegas. So yes, Sunday vandaag. Now it's a vlogable out, but we are vlogging at least. Ak fun. But I'm gonna leave you guys here and carry on with whatever I want to do. I'm gonna do it with you though, but I want to share this meal with my husband. It's only fair. We are one. Let's have one breakfast. It's not even breakfast between us. Yeah. Yo, I've been yapping. It's over 5 minutes now. Keep a hold, and I don't want that. I love you guys. Bye.
That doesn't align with English studies or lack of communication.
It is still Sunday, and guess who's going out to... I'm going out for driving lessons for the 100th time. Yeah. Let's go. Am I taking you guys with? I don't know. Or now my husband will agree to vlog or what? Okay. Will agree to vlog or what? What is that? That's I'm a bit nervous. But hey, I wanted to do this and I'm finally doing it. Chase a brit. Chase get some. Look, I can tell you feel as well. I don't know how I feel. My husband is trying to get Momo to play while we're gonna start to drive, and this girl is not having it. We are in a field. I don't know how I feel. That is me. I don't know how I feel. This mirror is so dirty. Yeah, this girl is crying. Momo wala. How are you gonna do this with Momo kakului?
Auto driver. What driver? Mga avlaga o ya driver.
Look, why Ajay?
Hey.
We are not in a races.
What alamo?
We are not on a races.
And who are you? The shop of the Eco Savage at a matter for big. What you like, Emma, or fake? And I want to belong on a key.
Who Mrs. Major? Collision. So, already I took. They know who done in this.
Why shall I am happy for as well? Kapoe me hantle.
Why, but Muto Ajayang, Asa Mameli. How Mamel? Hotula Emily Palo. Hotula Emily Palo, but. Don't you want to accept your mistakes?
Yeah, try. I feel like I'm overheating.
Overheating?
No, overheating. Nice simple one. I am so tired. I get tired to get a long cup, get tired to guy, but yeah, I know. The extreme sport, but I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Why are we off my chair?
Yeah, guys. I'll check the footage my son just took of me driving. And
Let's shoot short.
He's doing.
Let's shoot.